Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Tesla Model 3 door from the outside. To begin, locate the door handle, which sits flush with the car's body. You'll notice it doesn't have a traditional pull-out design. The key is understanding its unique pivot mechanism. This method ensures a sleek exterior and efficient operation for your vehicle. Once you've identified the handle, firmly press the wider rear portion of it. You'll feel a slight click as the front part of the handle pivots outward, creating a small lever. This movement is crucial as it provides the necessary grip point. It's a simple, elegant solution for accessing your vehicle with ease. With the handle now extended, slide your fingers into the gap and firmly grasp the protruding part. Then, simply pull the handle directly towards you. The door will unlatch and swing open smoothly. It might feel different from a conventional car door, but it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. To quickly recap, remember to push the wider end of the flush handle, then pull the extended part to open your Tesla Model 3 door. It's a straightforward process once you know the trick. And speaking of bringing things to life, why not enhance your home with smart technology? Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your living space and make daily tasks easier.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.